Hello my beautiful friends and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm unboxing my BoxyCharm premium box for January. That sounds interesting? You want to see what I got? Stick around. But first, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Eileen and I am so very glad that you decided to come and hang out with me for a while today. If you've not yet subscribed, I'd love it if you'd hit that subscribe button. Also, if you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up before you leave. Now, for anyone who's not familiar, BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription box that costs $25 a month, and you get 5 full-size beauty items, saving an average value of $175. Boxy Premium is an optional addition to your BoxyCharm account. It is a second box. It is $35 a month, and in each box they say you'll receive 6 to 7 full-size beauty items. And each of these boxes is supposed to have an average value of $215. So let's take a look and see what I've got in the January premium box. Okay, so January's theme is Fresh Start. And we do get the card with all the products on it. We used to get a really easy variation number down here. Now it's a much longer number. It's C2101-206 p.m. I suspect 2101 might be January of 2021. So maybe 206 is the variation. I don't know. But PM might be premium. But I have no way of knowing that. We'll see what the cards look like going forward. But it used to just be like you would get variation 1 or variation 97. So anyway. Let's take a look and see what we have. They do give you the retail prices here, but of course I have gone out and double checked them to see, because sometimes prices are not what they seem, or products do occasionally creep in here that are products that have been in sale for a long time, so they're not really worth the manufacturer's suggested retail price. But let's see what we've got this time. Okay, so our first product is from Summer Fridays, and this is the Jet Lag Mask. This is one that has been absolutely raved about by influencers. Say this dewy, hydrating mask soothes thirsty, stressed out skin by steeping cells in a nourishing mix of vitamins, ceramides, antioxidants, and gently exfoliating extracts. Skin looks instantly renewed, radiant, and ready for anything. This retails for $48. There's been some controversy about this being in the box this month, because Summer Fridays has come out recently with a statement regarding recent issues with the product. Some users have been experiencing redness and irritation. They say they've investigated, found out that some batches were compromised. They use a third-party, I guess, lab or whatever to actually make the product, and certain batches were compromised. It is currently out of stock at both Sephora and the Summer Fridays website. I'm not sure if that's because they've pulled stock or if it really is out of stock, because it is something that is apparently very, very popular and does go out of stock frequently. Boxy posted a statement from Summer Fridays directed specifically at BoxyCharm subscribers that basically said you should do a patch test first. Don't use it if you have a reaction. There's nothing from BoxyCharm about getting a replacement product, either from Summer Fridays or for BoxyCharm, just something else. So I guess if you're not willing to try it, knowing that it may be compromised, you're basically just getting screwed out of one product in your box this month. Given that I have sensitive skin and have recently been dealing with surgery and skin cancer and everything else, yeah, I'm not going near this. So, but I also hesitate to put it in a giveaway because there's no way of knowing. They haven't come out and said, okay, these are the batch numbers or anything to tell you which ones. So it's just like, well, you know, test it and, you know, hopefully you won't have a problem. Well, I'm not willing to take that risk. So yeah, basically, if you've heard the issues with the product and you're not willing to try it, you just lost out on a product this month. And the fact that Boxy's not doing anything about it really doesn't make me happy this month. Let's move on to the next product. From Ren Clean Skincare, this is Perfect Canvas Clean Jelly Oil Cleanser. And this is a cleanser that's clinically shown to remove makeup, SPF, and pollution, cleaning up your complexion. This retails for $32. I don't know that I've ever actually tried anything from Ren Clean Skincare. I have gotten samples of things before. Most of the time I've given them away because I have other products that I use, but if you've used this, let me know, because I am curious. Given that I am already down one product this month, I may want to check this out, so let me know down below if you've tried it. Next, from Fenty Beauty, this is the Full Frontal Volume Lift and Curl Mascara. This is a do-it-all mascara that is designed to expose every lash, featuring an exclusive flat to fat brush that instantly volumizes, lifts, lengthens, and curls. This retails for $24. But I haven't tried this. If you have, let me know. I do have a mascara that I'm using now, but you know, given the concerns right now with things that are still healing, I have had to basically ditch all my mascaras and things that I had been using prior to my surgery, just to eliminate any risk of infection, because I already had one infection in my incision, so I am going to be trying some new mascaras potentially. So let me know if you've tried this and what you think of it. I think the flat to fat is one of those brushes, like one that comes to mind for me is the Charlotte Tilbury, that has, you know, rather than having bristles all the way around, has bristles like sort of on two sides and flat on the other. To use the flat side to lift, and then the side with the bristles to actually volumize. So let me know if you tried this and what you think of it. Next we have another one from Fenty Beauty, and this is the Pro Filter Instant Retouch Setting Powder. This was my choice item this month. This is a super fine weightless loose setting powder in 8 sheer shades to perfect and extend makeup wear for a filtered photo ready finish on lock. As I said, it's available in 8 shades. I've heard really good things about this. I received the shade Lavender, which is the one I selected, which they say is for fair to light skin tones and is good for brightening. Retail on this is $32. As you can see, I haven't opened it yet, but I'm very interested. If you've used this, let me know. Next, from PMD Beauty, this is the Silver Pure Silver Infused Microfiber Makeup Removing Cloth. They say remove makeup and wash your skin with the antibacterial and anti-aging benefits of pure silver, ensuring a clean end to your day. This retails for $30. I assume this is like a makeup eraser, but it has silver in it. Smaller than a makeup eraser, but that's okay. I actually found this really long one's a little bit too long, so it's a good size. Very, very soft, and you know I like pink, so I'm not unhappy with that. $30 seems like a lot for a makeup removing cloth, but if it works, great. Would I pay $30? Probably not, but I'm not unhappy to get it in a subscription box to try it out. If it's really, really, you know, does turn out to be the holy grail of makeup removing cloths, maybe I would. I don't know if I'd pay $30, but I might pick it up when it's on a Sephora sale. And our last item, and everyone, I believe, in their premium boxes is getting this month. This is from Ofra Cosmetics, and this is the Good to Go Mini Mix Palette. So you won't have time to look back or think twice about the looks you create with this mini-sized full face palette. And let's see if I can get all those colors on screen for you. Say warm shimmers, fresh neutrals, and all of the glow you need make this a perfect palette for easy glam. Take this lightweight, magnetic, completely refillable palette from your makeup bag to your carry-on for a full makeup routine always ready to go. Features the best-selling highlighter All of the Lights, and the retail price on this is $39. I was under the impression that this was going to be a Boxy exclusive when they were talking about it last year, but it's also available on the Ofra website, so it is not exclusive, but you know, I think, you know, I love Ofra. I love their highlighters and stuff. I'm not so crazy about these shadow colors, at least for me. Sorry, I have the plastic back on it, but all warm for me with the exception of that mint green. But you know, it is, you know, the whole idea of, you know, all-in-one face palette is not a bad thing. Let me know what you think. I'm not quite, like I said, it just seems very, the exception of the orange, sorry, with the exception of that green, it just seems kind of one note to me. So I'm not as excited as I would have been with some other Ofra palettes that I've seen. So anyway, that's my BoxyCharm Premium for January. Again, the premium box is $35. The average value is supposed to be over $215. Total retail value on mine is $205, and again, that's an average value, not a guaranteed, so it's, you know, it's okay. But if you remove that Summer Fridays jet lag mask, the value becomes $157. So yeah, my base box had a value much higher than this one. Not sure which one is going up first, but if it hasn't come up yet, watch it. If it has, go back and look, because my base box had a much higher value than this one. So, you know, what's wrong with this picture? Anyway, leave any comments down in the comment section. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe down below if you haven't already. Remember, life is uncertain. Add extra sparkle. And thank you for spending your time hanging out with me today. Please stay safe, be kind to yourself, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.